Hey there, what's up? Hope all of you out there watching are doing wonderfully well. In this video, I'm going to share with you two delicious, very popular bubble tea recipes. Do watch the video till the end to learn the famous bubble tea recipes. Before we get started, don't forget to drop a sub, turn on notifications and comment down below which recipe you would like to see featured here on Passion Bistro. The first bubble tea recipe that I'm going to share here with you is the brown sugar bubble tea or the boba tea. Trust me, you're going to enjoy this delicious bubble tea recipe which has become very popular now. Let's move on to the recipe. For this recipe, we need the brown sugar syrup. Here I'm adding in 70 grams of packed brown sugar in a non-stick pan followed by 140 ml of water. Stir until the granules are fully dissolved. Now I'm going to cook this on medium flame until slightly thick. Transfer to a bowl and allow it to cool. For the golden bubble tea, in a pot, boil sufficient quantity of water to cook the tapioca pearls. Cook for about 15 minutes. Allow them to cook until they rise up to the surface naturally. Now remove it in a strainer and add cold water to it to wash off excess starch. Now I'm transferring it in a bowl of cold water. Strain once again to make sure that excess of starch is washed off. Transfer this to a dish. Now I am adding in 2 tablespoons of honey and mixing it well with the golden tapioca pearls. Now moving on to making the tea. To make the tea, I am boiling 500 ml of full cream milk. Once the milk comes to boil, add in 2 teaspoons of regular black tea granules and cook on low flame until it releases its flavor and color to the milk. Strain and allow it to cool and then refrigerate at least for 2 hours or until cold. Now it's time to assemble the mouth-watering bubble tea. In a glass, add in 2.5 heaped tablespoons of cooked golden tapioca pearls, followed by brown sugar syrup about 2 tablespoons. Stain the inner sides of the glass with the syrup to give it the cafe look. Now pour in the prepared tea. I love it with 2 dollops of vanilla ice cream, which is the way I like it. If you don't wish, you can skip this step, but believe me, this tastes amazing with ice cream. Top it up with some brown sugar syrup. Gently stir. Can't resist. Absolutely divine. Moving on to make the matcha bubble tea. To make the matcha bubble tea, Follow the same procedure of boiling the tapioca pearls in sufficient water. Allow the pearls to come to the surface naturally, stirring occasionally to avoid the pearls from sticking together. Remove it in a strainer. Wash with cold water to remove excess starch. Transfer the pearls to a bowl of cold water, then remove them in a strainer. Once all the water is drained, transfer the tapioca pearls to a bowl. They look absolutely perfect. I'm adding in 1 tablespoon of brown sugar to it and mixing it well. Now the dark brown tapioca pearls are ready for another super delicious bubble tea, the Matcha Bubble Tea. I'm mixing in 1 tablespoon of matcha powder in about 10 ml of water. Once it's well blended, I'm adding in about 30 ml of water to it to make a smooth paste. To make the matcha bubble tea, in a glass, first add in 2 tablespoons of golden tapioca pearls, followed by 1 tablespoon of dark brown tapioca pearls. Mix them together. Stain the sides of the glass with brown sugar syrup to give that cafe look. Pour in the pre-boiled and chilled milk. Top it up with some matcha tea. And a dollop of vanilla ice cream, and then some spoons full of matcha tea, followed by a couple spoons full of honey. Gently stir. Top it up with some dark brown and golden tapioca pearls and enjoy every sip. Here we come to the end of 2 guaranteed delicious bubble tea. Hope you enjoyed this video and learned something new today. Don't forget to drop a sub and turn on notifications and comment down below how much you liked this recipe and which recipe you'd like to see featured here on Passion Bistro. Until then, stay safe, eat healthy.